Did you know that in the United States today, almost half of all pregnancies aren't planned ahead of time? This stat especially applies to teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancy rates have declined from the past, but there's still plenty of educating that can be done. Being a teenager is an awesome and important part of life. Here, you begin a journey of exploration, learning more about the world and especially about yourself. In the middle of all this, being hit with a teenage pregnancy can be pretty life-changing. You might be scared, nervous, or in shock, not knowing what to do next. Yes, this is a complete curveball, but it is not the end of the world. You do have options. These options would include looking into adoption, exercising your right to an abortion, or moving forward with the pregnancy. It's also a pretty good idea to tell your partner and your parents, taking into consideration what they think. Ultimately, though, the choice is yours and you must make it for yourself. Teen pregnancy can be pretty life-changing, but you do have the power of choice and you can have control in your life. Making that decision can be really tough, but like I said, you do have options. One of those options is to move forward with the pregnancy, something that a lot of people do. If you choose to do so, it is so important that you take control and get prenatal care. A lack of care can lead to poor health outcomes for both you and your baby. Getting this care as early as possible will help to ensure that the both of you lead a happy, healthy life during and after the pregnancy. Whatever decision you've ultimately made, it is so important to use family planning in the future. Deciding with your partner when the right time to get pregnant is important in both of your lives. Until that time, contraception use can prevent another unplanned pregnancy. The most effective method would be the long-acting reversible contraceptives. These would include IUDs or subdermal implants. Long-acting reversible contraceptives are 99% effective and can be removed when you decide the time is right. However, these don't prevent STIs or HIV, so it's important to use a condom as well. An unplanned pregnancy can be scary, especially during the prime of your teenage years. Not knowing what the future holds is really a lot to consider, but you do have the power to make an informed choice. You should be aware of the many options that you have for working with this pregnancy and for future family planning. This might not have all happened at the most ideal time, but you can still move forward and lead a happy, healthy life.